Assalamu alaikum. My students are writing the paragraph of English. You can see my students are writing the paragraph of English. This is the class of calligraphy, and every student is busy in writing a paragraph. This is the 7th guide in Qureshi Public High School. You can see the writing of the students. This student has taken the work and he is practicing with the lead pencil. This is the new student who just started to write. Keep your head up. अपना सर ऊंचा रखें, झुक के ना लिखें. This student is writing with the pointer, and I don't allow him. He is the new student. He don't know the rules of the writing yet. These students are the grade 5 students writing English paragraph. Ali Mughal is doing his work nicely but slowly. He is the most talkative student. He just likes to waste his time. Haider Ali has written 2 lines. He has taken work Amir Hamza from 5 qaid. He has taken work yet. He is practicing very nicely. The student has written a lot. This is his work. He is slow student. He is writing with the pointer. I always forbid them. Not write with the pointer, write with the ink pen. Students of Simon Sir Syed writing and practicing Urdu handwriting, Urdu calligraphy with the ink pen. This student is not gripping well. He is the habitual of this grip in the 7th class. I have told them a lot of time to hold your pen properly. This student is not writing properly. His writing is not good. His writing is better. He is writing nicely. This student is practicing the basics of handwriting. This student is writing with the lead pencil and learning the art of writing. This student is also making his writing, improving his writing. Some students are doing bad writing and some are doing well. He is writing a poem I have asked him to write paragraph. He is learning the basics of writing. And this student is also improving, taking time and doing nicely. Taking time and doing nicely. And this is altogether the 7th grade class. Sir Sayyid, sorry. These students doing writing in the Qureshi Public High School. These students are the pride of Qureshi Public High School.